In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money offering sales funnels and funnel audits. I'm going to show you how beginners can earn $500 to $3,000 per client by building funnels, even if you have never built one before. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly what funnels to offer, how to price them, and how to use tools like ClickFunnels, CopyAI, ActiveCampaign, and Hostinger to deliver everything professionally. Let's get started. Why sales funnels are one of the highest paying online services. Funnels are the engine behind every successful online business, whether someone is selling a service, a coaching program, a product, or even just collecting leads. But here's the problem. Most business owners have no idea how funnels actually work. They don't know how to structure a landing page. They don't know what makes a lead magnet convert. They don't know why people abandon checkout, and they definitely don't have the time to troubleshoot what is broken. And that's where you come in. When a business hires you, they're not just paying for a landing page, they're paying you for clarity. You're helping them turn random website clicks into predictable revenue. You're building the path their customers walk through, from discovering the offer to opting in, to buying, to taking the next step. You might create a simple funnel that captures emails and delivers a lead magnet, or a sales funnel that walks a buyer through the offer, a checkout page, and a post-purchase upsell. You might fix weak headlines, streamline the messaging, or set up an email sequence that follows up automatically. And here's the part most people do not realize. Most local businesses don't have a funnel at all. They rely on word of mouth or a basic website that does nothing to convert. So when you introduce even a simple two-step funnel, an opt-in page, and a thank you page, the impact is immediate. More leads come in, more sales happen automatically. The business owner sees results quickly, and that's why this service is so profitable. You're not just building web pages, you are fixing a revenue leak they didn't even know how to identify. And when you do that for someone, they will pay you every single month to keep optimizing it. The tools you need to offer funnel services. You only need 4 tools to run this entire business. Number 1, ClickFunnels, to build the funnel. ClickFunnels is the foundation of your entire service because it lets you build complete customer journeys for your clients, even if you have never built a website before. With ClickFunnels, you can create every step of a funnel without needing coding or technical skills. You can build high converting landing pages, lead magnet funnels, sales pages with clear calls to action, checkout flows that increase conversions, upsell and downsell pages to raise average order value, webinar funnels, challenge funnels, and application funnels, membership areas for digital products or online courses. Businesses pay for these because each funnel you build becomes a predictable machine for generating leads and sales. ClickFunnels also makes it easy to follow the psychology of the buyer. You can map out how the visitor enters, what they see next, how you guide them to the offer, when to present upsells, how you follow up afterwards, and this gives your clients something most of them have never had: a structured, intentional buyer journey instead of a random link in their bio hoping for conversions. The templates inside ClickFunnels are built for performance. You do not have to guess what kind of layout works. You can start with proven designs and then customize them for your client's brand, which dramatically cuts down your build time. ClickFunnels also supports funnel audits beautifully. You can quickly identify where leads are dropping off, which step isn't converting, where messaging needs improvement, whether the offer is positioned correctly, how to restructure the funnel for more sales. This is what makes funnel audits so profitable. Businesses often have half-built funnels that aren't optimized, and you become the person who fixes them. So whether you're building a complete funnel from scratch or repairing one that's underperforming, ClickFunnels gives you everything you need to create a smooth, high-converting experience for your clients. Use my ClickFunnels link down below to start building client funnels today. Number 2, CopyAI to write high-converting funnel copy. Every funnel lives or dies by the copy. You can have the best design, the best offer, and the best tech setup, but if the messaging doesn't convert, the funnel will not perform. That's exactly why CopyAI becomes one of the most powerful tools in your service. CopyAI helps you create all the high-impact copy that goes into a funnel, including strong headlines that grab attention, persuasive subheadlines, clear value propositions, benefit-driven bullet points, objection handling sections, compelling hero text, call to action variations, full landing page drafts, email follow-ups, and nurture sequences. Now, this is the kind of writing business owners struggle with the most. They know their product, but they don't know how to sell it with words. And that's where you step in. CopyAI lets you structure the funnel messaging the way a marketer would, even if you are brand new. You can set the brand voice, define the audience, and plug in the offer details, and CopyAI will generate multiple versions you can refine. This makes it so easy to test different angles, positioning styles, and emotional hooks until you find one that converts the best. And the real value for you as a service provider, you no longer need to spend hours staring at a blank page figuring out what to write. Instead, you walk in with a messaging system that helps you produce clean, persuasive, professional copy in a fraction of the time. This also makes your funnel audits more valuable because you can immediately identify weak headlines, unclear offers, missing benefits, bad section flow, low impact CTAs, confusing messaging, and instantly rebuild those sections with CopyAI so your client sees real improvements fast. For most business owners, fixing the copy alone can double or triple conversions, and that's why they're willing to pay premium rates for someone who can rewrite and optimize their funnel messaging. Use my CopyAI link down below to write better funnel copy in minutes. Number 3, active campaign for email automation and nurture sequences. Funnels only make money if they follow up with leads. An active campaign is the tool that does all of the heavy lifting for you. Most businesses lose sales because they have no automation at all. Someone opts in and then nothing happens. There's no welcome email, no nurture, no reminders, no upsells. Active campaign fixes that instantly. With it, you can build automation systems like welcome sequences, abandoned cart follow-ups, webinar reminders, upsell flows, lead nurture campaigns. Everything is built visually. You drag, drop, and map out the entire customer journey. You can also add tags, segment leads, score prospects, and personalize emails based on behavior, things most small businesses are not doing at all. This is why adding active campaign setup to your funnel service dramatically increases your value. You're not just building pages, you're creating the follow-up engine that actually converts leads into paying customers. Use my active campaign link down below to automate your clients' funnels and boost conversions. Number 4, Hostinger to host the funnel or create a funnel hub. When you're offering sales funnel services, you are not just building landing pages, you are creating a full customer journey, and every successful journey needs a home base. That's where Hostinger becomes extremely valuable. Hostinger gives you a fast, reliable place to host everything your funnel connects to. The main website, funnel hubs, resource pages, client portals, bundle pages, course or membership areas, blog content for SEO. This matters because most business owners don't have a structure that supports long-term conversions. They might have a single sales page, but nothing typing their offers together. With Hostinger, you can help them build a professional, branded ecosystem instead of a scattered funnel. The AI website builder makes this even easier. You can generate a complete website layout, sections, text, images, and structure in minutes. That means you can give clients a polished hub without needing design or coding experience. Now, this is what elevates your service. ClickFunnels handles the sales flow. Hostinger becomes the polished home their entire funnel system sits on, and Hostinger is fast, affordable, and built built for scalability. Your clients get a dependable website that supports higher conversion rates, better credibility, more repeat customers, and an easier way to organize all of their offers. If you want to offer a premium funnel service instead of just building pages, adding a hosting or setup is one of the most valuable upgrades you can provide. You can use my hosting or link down below to build powerful funnel hubs for your clients. The services you can offer. When you're offering funnel services, everything you do ties back to one goal, which is helping businesses convert more leads into paying customers. And the best part, you don't need to overcomplicate it. These 4 services are the simplest to start with, and they are extremely profitable. Number 1 is funnel builds, $300 to $1,500 per project. This is where most beginners start because you're helping a business create the actual path that turns a stranger into a buyer. You can build lead magnet funnels, opt-in funnels, simple sales pages, checkout flows, and even upsell or downsell pages. These pages follow a proven structure. A tool like ClickFunnels make the technical side incredibly beginner friendly. Businesses will happily pay for this because funnels replace what they're already losing: time, energy, and sales. Number 2, funnel audits, $100 to $500. A funnel audit is one of the fastest services to deliver, and clients love it. You go through their existing funnel and identify exactly what is hurting their conversions. That includes things like uploading speed, weak copy, confusing structure, unclear offers, bad CTA placement, messy email sequences, or tracking issues. Then you put everything into a clean visual PDF using Canva and deliver it as a professional report. Business owners get clarity, and you position yourself as an expert without building anything from scratch. Number 3, email automation setup, $200 to $800. Funnels only work if they follow up with leads, and this is where you become incredibly valuable. Using ActiveCampaign, you can build welcome sequences that warm up new leads, nurture sequences that build trust, product launch flows that drive sales, abandoned cart automations, and segmentation rules that keep their lists organized. Most businesses have no automation at all, which means they are losing money every single day. Setting this up for them instantly increases their revenue, and that's why it's such a powerful service to offer. Number 4, funnel optimization, $150 to $500 per month. Once the funnel is built, businesses need help improving it over time. This is where you can earn monthly recurring income. You can test new copy variations, run A/B tests, improve their tracking, create better upsells, and strengthen their automations. These small monthly tweaks compound over time and consistently increase your clients' conversions. That's why businesses stay with funnel specialists for months, sometimes years. Every single one of these services directly increase a client's revenue, and that's why funnel specialists get paid well, and why even beginners can earn quickly in the space when they use the right tools. Pricing your funnel services. Here is the simple beginner pricing model. Funnels, lead gen funnel, $300 to $600. Sales funnel, $600 to $1,200. Full funnel system, $1,200 to $3,000. For audits, a basic audit could be $100. A deep dive audit can be $250 to $500. Email automations, simple sequence can be $200 to $350. Advanced automations can be $500 to $800. Monthly maintenance can be $150 to $500 a month, depending on numbers of funnels and emails. Your first 30-day blueprint. Week 1 is pick your niche. It could be coaches, local businesses, fitness, real estate, creators. Practice building funnels with ClickFunnels templates. Week 2, finalize your offer and build your funnel assets. This week, your goal is to create the pieces that show clients what they are getting when they hire you. Start by building your sample funnel inside ClickFunnels. Your sample funnel audit so clients can see how you break down what's working and what isn't. Your funnel graphics and branding assets using Canva. Inside Canva, you can design your funnel audit PDF, lead magnet mockups, call to action buttons, testimonial graphics, section headers, a clean pricing sheet, and a mini portfolio page preview. These visuals instantly elevate your offer and make you look like a real funnel specialist, even if this is your very first week. Once your samples and visuals are ready, upload everything linking to your Hostinger and store build website, write a short work with me description, add your pricing menu, and finalize your intake form so clients can book you by the end of the week. By the end of week 2, you are going to have a full set of assets that prove your value before you've even landed your first client. Use my Canva link down below to design all your funnel visuals and your audit report. Week 3 is all about visibility. You want business owners to see what you can do, so this is the week you start posting consistently on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Share clips of the funnel you've built, before and after screenshots from your sample audit, and short explanations of what each funnel page does. Every post you make should point back to the simple idea: you help businesses convert more leads into paying customers. This is also where Metricool becomes incredibly helpful. Instead of posting manually every day, which is exhausting, Metricool lets you schedule all of your content for the entire week in one setting. You can queue up your posts, preview your feed, check the best posting times, track your reach, and stay consistent even on the days you are busy building client funnels. Consistency is what gets clients to trust you, and Metricool makes that part easy. Alongside your content, offer 3 free funnel audits this week. These aren't full builds, they are quick reviews that show what's working, what's broken, and what you would fix. Free audits get you testimonials fast, and most people who receive a solid audit end up hiring you to fix the issues you found. Use my Metricool link down below to schedule your posts and stay consistent without burning out. Week 4, land your first paying client, deliver their funnel, ask for a testimonial, and a referral. If you follow this step by step, you can land your first funnel client this month, and you don't need to be an expert, you just need the right tools. ClickFunnels to build the funnel, CopyAI to write the copy, ActiveCampaign to automate the follow-up, Hostinger to host the funnel hub, Canva to design your visuals, and Metricool to schedule your content and stay consistent. All the links for every tool I mentioned are down below, so you can start building funnels the same way I built them. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery, and I'll see you in the next one.